I'm Sam Cordis, and with Quatrini Law Group, and this is a Legal Tip Tuesday. You know, for the last 35 years, I've been talking to people on the phone who have lost their job, and they ask me, how do I know if I've been discriminated against? And we spend a lot of time thinking about that. What we found is it's very rare in the 21st century for an employer to come in and say, you're too old to get out of my office, or I just want to go with someone who's younger. What employers are learning to do is use code words. What's that? Well, you don't have enough energy. I'm just looking for the future. I want someone to be here when I'm gone. Although, and lots of others you can think of. All of those are what the courts call code words. I haven't said I'm firing you because of your age, but if I tell you I want somebody that's going to be here for the next 20 years, well, what are you saying? When you think that your age has played a role, it's a good time to talk to someone who's used to handling this situation. You would be surprised at how often the littlest thing might be enough to tip off your attorneys and you to a situation. The other way that you can show discrimination is to show that the reason the employer is giving is not true. In the law, we call it a pretext. All that means is, there was an old play, an old poem by a guy, T.S. Eliot, who said, between the idea and the reality lies the shadow. Well, what's a shadow? A delusional image. That's all pretext is. They say you're firing you because of this, and you know you didn't do it, and you know that they're making it up, because the real reason is that they don't want someone that's as old as you. When you think those kinds of things are happening, talk to an attorney. It may not be anything, but oftentimes it is. There's a youth culture that seems to have permeated a lot of what we're seeing in the workplace now. And that's well and good. I mean, we're all going away. But the law, since 1967, has protected people that are older than 40 from being let go when their age is a determining factor. All that means is that if there's 100 reasons why they're letting me go, and one of them is my age, that's what your burden is. So it doesn't have to be the sole reason. Again, we'll take the time to look at all of that. Discrimination is like a jigsaw puzzle. There's lots of little pieces, and if you look at one, it says nothing. But you put 3 or 4 or 5 together, and you start to develop a pattern. That's how we've proven those cases. For 35 years, we've been putting jigsaw puzzle pieces together, and that's kind of what we like to do.